Hey guys, Chris here with the Keyless Shop. Today we have a 2004 BMW X5 remote head key. If your remote ever stopped working, it's a common problem on these BMW keys. Give us a call at 800-985-9531. We can send you one of these style remotes. We copy the frequency of this remote, we put it into there. We can send it to you in the mail, and then you can program it yourself in about 10 seconds with the easy onboard programming procedure that we'll send you. And this is how we do it. Paul? Put the key in the ignition, turn it on, off 3 times, remove the key, hold down the unlock button, press the lock button 3 times, doors cycle, it's programmed. And the next one, hold down the unlock, press the lock 3 times. The doors cycle, that means it's programmed. You're gonna close the door. Oh, I'm sorry, open the door, close the door. It's out of programming mode. Your new remote is fixed. This is the easiest way to fix your broken BMW remote head key, because you can't actually change the battery on these, so when they die, they're dead. Give us a call if you need one. We can send you a pair of 2 remotes for $50, and you can program it yourself. Call us 800-985-9531 and order yours today.